In previous video we have seen this. Well, we had article create, and when I refresh this, you can see that this text editor is added. Well, this text editor was not before, so we have added in last video. Well, I promised you to have some styles for this. Well, actually, if you see here, like, let's see the .html file. So the description is column 12. It must take 12 columns. Well, it doesn't take, you know that. So the style is not great, or the style is not accurate. So how can we solve this? How can we have this, like, for example, it should be like till here, so it should take the complete width. How can we solve this? So you have seen here, like in, well, account app, we had a form, well, form.html .py. So we had here some widgets. So this widget has this, well, description, and we have this, well, text editor, Summernote. Let's have some styles for this. Well, here I want to have some attributes. Well, the attribute will have like some kind of like this. So what will be the, well, the attribute for this? We have it here like this. So the width will be, well, the width of that, the width will be like 100%, and also the height of the text editor will be like 300. Well, it's simple. It's very, very nice. Okay, let's see how it works. Let's refresh this. When I refresh, it works very, very nice. Let's have the first article, well, after testing. First, this is the first article. Well, let's have this bold, and the text will be like 38, 36. Let's have an image for this. Okay, I select an image, and this is, well, this is another text. But if I copy and paste this, I want to have this like ethnic, and I should have some kind of links. Well, this is the link, and like google.com. It looks nice. Okay, let's have the category, a thumbnail. Well, I want to select an author, and the status will be published. When I submit, it looks very, very nice. Let me see this on the main page. Okay, the image is also here, the text, everything, like the link. When I select, see on the corner there is the link of this, well, link we had added there. So it works very, very nice. We have completed this. So one thing is left, like when we create some article, like if you see here, so when we create, so if the admin is here, so it should be like it should show all the things, like every user, which user we are selecting as author, and the status we can select. But if the user is not admin, or the super user, or the user is just an active user, so the active user can be considered as author for now, at least. So later we will add many users, like as author, like as publisher, so many kind of like activities we can do with this. So for now, just see if the user is not super user, it must not be shown, and the article must be draft as like pre-default, or in default situation it should be like draft, and the author should be someone who is, well, publishing this article, who is writing this article or submitting this article to be published. So we will talk about this concept in the next video.